Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you on how to remove your WhatsApp profile image on PC. If you're looking to update your profile or simply remove your current picture, follow these easy steps. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your PC by double-clicking on the app icon. Step 2. Once WhatsApp is open, locate and click on the gear icon. This icon is usually found in the top right corner of the screen and will open the settings menu. Step 3. In the settings menu, you will find several tabs. Click on the Profile tab to access your profile settings. Step 4. Within the profile settings, you will see your current profile image. Click on the image to proceed with removing it. Step 5. A list of options will appear. Choose the Remove Image option from the list. By following these simple steps, you will be able to remove your WhatsApp profile image on PC. Remember, by removing your profile image, your contacts will no longer see a picture associated with your account. If you ever decide to change your profile image again, you can simply follow these steps and choose a new picture to upload. We hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.